This one is called Unscramble Me, and it's just that. We just have to unscramble the letters on screen to form words. It's a very simple thing. So put up the letters, and we're going to deal with it.
Never just had a smart egg, so yeah.
No, it's a very simple thing. As you are sending these pictures to the lovely little young'uns who were here this morning.
One word?
All that is one word?
That is one word?
There's 2 words.
Yeah, kind of.
Well, you never say one word. Macaroni.
I have no idea.
What?
Colson is the hint.
So
that, but no, I know you know that. And an idiot. That would have said it's a Colson. Oh.
What is the clue? Give me a clue. Colson call him president, beloved by most, if not all of America and the world. Barack Obama.
So why you say Colson?
Because I call him president. Wicked. That's what
an idiot me call Colson, so that's why I couldn't get it. One word or 2 words, Kerry? One word.
One word. Smith.
Photosynthesis?
Delia, you're a greatest woman, and I am going to marry you. Me never know you're so bright.
Well, that one that take out everything. One word or 2 words? One word.
We don't have nothing to do? March. Partisan.
Something about.
Oh, shut up your mouth. Smart. Smithsonian. Something like that.
Smooth. Something about smooth.
Give me the clue. Give me a clue. Process of transferring from immature form to an adult form in 2 or more distinct stages.
What about the word?
Me look like me a scientist.
Metamorphosis?
No, sir. Me gone home. Me gone here. No, sir.
Me can tell you.
Dahlia.
That one there up here, we ain't never.
Touch me now because you want to beat me up. Touch me. Look at me and stop. Look at the thing. I want that.
One word. One word, Kerry? One word. Clue?
If you're a man who do crossword every morning, I'm supposed to get this, you know.
What's the clue? Heavy plant eating mammal, that is named elephant.
I chill love you, me don't play it better.
Come, make a dummy know where.
All right, now, man, we're ready now.
Next one.
Me just want to give a run. Eh?
Oh, wow. Clue? Can't me like see clue, me can't tell you where, you know.
Wait now. What? No, sir.
Yeah, what's the clue? What's the clue, Kerry? You want a clue? Branch of physics and technology concerning design of circuits using transistors and microchips. So say the word again?
Electronic.
Yeah, that's it, electronic.
The S show me off, you know.
I know it was a, yeah, because I put TIC, but it was NIC. Go on again,
3-1.
Two
Neville
words.
Bell. Neville Bell.
What a must never be.
3-2.
No, I could have never 3-2 if I never guess him name.
I mean, oh, you never see it.
guess him name?
So you never see it too. Delia Harris is the next one.
Never, no, Delia Harris then.
That don't look so hard. A 3-2
So why you can't guess it?
A 3-2 with it.
Neville Bell, oh, really, Neville Bell as a 3-2?
Tirade.
No, there's an O in it.
Sorted, no. Straight. You see me, I get the clue, then I get it, because me I talk and I get English.
No, man,
I don't want no clue for
this one. You're not giving me no clue.
Astride, no. Yeah,
yes, astride.
Give me the clue. No, it's not
astride.
Yeah. A small rocky body orbiting the sun.
Oh, Lord. Rocky body orbiting the sun.
It's something near the Japan and bust up
Go back
the
again.
atmosphere.
Asteroids?
Yeah, let me say it all drop and bust up in the atmosphere. It's me give you that. It's a clue
No, but
that
you
I
never
give
said asteroid. You said drop and bust up in the atmosphere.
Which is an asteroid.
No, but the word is
Trial.
asteroid. Never can get trial and never said it.
No,
bust up in the air.
It's 4-2, but it's me giving the clue for you to get it. Ten.
Yeah, because Kerry Tyler, we know Kerry said, give them a clue.
K in it.
Skeleton?
Me go on here, man. Me go on. Me get 5-2. Me go on me hand.